Hi everyone. If you want to know how to make your pictures really stand out, I think this lesson will be helpful for you. It's about focal point, how to make us look at a particular area of the picture first. Focus our attention, if you like. So there are various kinds of techniques to create focal point, but in this case I'm using one-point perspective, and I'm also using light and dark. So creating a really strong contrast is a great way to make your pictures really stand out. Later on in this video I'm going to show you a fantastic artist who really uses this idea of focal point to great advantage. He's a wonderful artist, and I'll have a slideshow and that for you. So this is, I've taken this a bit further. This is one-point perspective and light and dark to create a focal point and a point of interest. So now I'm going to use a different way of creating a focal point, and that's to use colour. So I'm going to sketch out this person in the snow. She's walking along in the snow, and it's snow everywhere. It must be Japan because it snows a lot here. So her head would be about here, feet are about here, so about halfway is the crotch area. So she's got a heavy coat on. So I'll just apply a little bit of red to this umbrella. Here's my use of colour, bright colour to make an effect of focal point. And here I'm going to use this little Japanese house. It's twilight time, so I'd like to capture that nostalgic moment. But the point about this, the focal point here, is the use of these machines, drink machines, and they've always got bright lights on them. So brightness is one of the ideas in this one of the focal point. Just to reiterate, it's about contrast here, the contrast between these brightly lit drink machines and the rest of the pictures in fairly grey tones. It's a famous painting, and I decided to just crop the painting and just isolate it to show how did this artist work out this painting. So, and how did he use focal point? Then we can see that the figures are isolated and very much in focus as far as we're concerned. incredible focal point, the sort of the contrast between the light and dark areas in the wall. So, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and especially leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.